Aloha! Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie and this is Mookie. We got a great episode today. We're heading down to Great Falls, Montana. What's that, Mookie? She's very excited about me going to Great Falls, Montana. So we're going to go to Great Falls, Montana. I'm going to go to the Heritage Inn and hit the Max Casino Sports Bar and do a little bit of gambling. And I'm going to head across the parking lot to P. Gibson's Sports Bar and have some nice fajitas for lunch. Now, P. Gibson's, of course, is named after Paris Gibson, the founder of Great Falls, Montana. Great Falls was actually founded in 1883, and Paris Gibson actually recognized the potential Great Falls had for producing hydroelectric power, as it's right on the Missouri River. And to this day, Great Falls is called the Electric City. So first up, we're going to make a quick drink. This is called a Scrotched Apple. I'm getting this from drmcgillicuddies.com. So I have apple pie liqueur from Dr. McGillicuddies. It's a very simple drink. You can either do it in shooter form or over ice. We're going to try both. And it's just 1 part cinnamon fireball whiskey and 2 parts Dr. McGillicuddies apple pie liqueur. So we'll do over ice first. We'll do a shot of the fireball whiskey. Isn't that from Caddyshack, Mookie? Fireball. Maybe not. Was Carl. And we'll do 2 shots of Dr. McGillicuddies apple pie liqueur. And then we'll try a little shot of that. So again, 1 part of the fireball whiskey, cinnamon flavored whiskey, and 2 parts of the apple pie. All right, let's give it a try, Mookie. All right, cheers. Mookie, to your genitalia, may it never fail you. That is delicious. It's just like eating apple pie. All right, we're on our way to Great Falls, Montana. You're not coming, Mookie, but check it out. Thanks for watching another episode of Chappie's Tiki Bar. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says we should quote the band Weezer. Leave a 5-star review and we'll leave you one too. You can't knock the hustle. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.